Install the 3.5-inch tall hinges to the post. Measure using the paper instructions. Use a number 3 Phillips bit to attach the hinges to the post with self-tapping screws. Attach the hinges to the door. Drill a 3/4 inch diameter hole in the post to pull the wiring harness through. A 1/2 inch diameter hole may be large enough for the wiring harness to fit. Center the strike to the center of the latch. Attach the strike to the post using self-tapping screws. Check for latch alignment and adjust the strike in and out as needed. The strike has slotted holes to allow the strike to be moved forward and backwards. Attach strike cover plate to the hinge door panel if the door is swinging to the outside. If the door is swinging to the inside, the strike cover plate will be attached to the post. Shut the door and check for engagement in the electric strike. If adjustment is needed, the self-tapping screw can be backed out and the strike could be pushed forward or backwards to allow for a better engagement. Install the cover plate onto the electric strike using the 4 small Phillips head screws. This completes the installation of the electric strike to the WireCrafters cage.